everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be updating this chair. I picked it up at my local thrift store for $5. The seat has a little bit of issues and needs some repair work, but otherwise it's in fairly good condition. It just needs a new, fresh look. So we are going to be doing that today, so if you'd like to follow along, just keep watching. The cane on the seat had some damage and someone had put 2 pieces of plywood under the seat and screwed them in place. I'm just going to remove them and make a more secure seat. Anyways, I am going to be using my utility knife and I'm just going to cut these little, I don't know, strands, whatever these are called. And cut it, and so then the cane is just going to pop right off of the seat. So let's get to it. It's time to give this thing a good cleaning. Now that it's all clean, it's time to start painting. First off, I'm using Kills Primer. This will help the paint to adhere to the chair and will help prevent any chipping or peeling. Now it's time to paint. I'm using Bear chalk paint in the color Pale Sepia. So now that I have applied 2 coats of paint and allowed it to thoroughly dry, I am going to be using this white wax by Waverly Inspirations. I have not used this wax before, so I'm excited to give it a try. I'm painting on the wax and letting it sit for a few minutes before wiping away the excess with a lint-free cloth. To make the seat, I'm using a tissue paper to trace out the shape that I need for the seat. After cutting it out and tracing the shape onto this piece of plywood, I'm going to use a jigsaw and cut it out. I'm using a foam cushion to line the seat board, and I'm stapling it in place. For the fabric, I'm using a drop cloth. After stapling it on, I cut away the excess. I'm using a stencil on the seat cushions that I designed and cut out using my Cricut machine. I have a full video tutorial on how I designed and cut out the stencil. You can find it on my channel if you're interested. So now that I have the seat all upholstered and ready to go, I am going to be screwing it onto the chair through the existing holes and directly into this plywood. So I'm going to be using this craft rope to line around the cushion and cover any of the holes that you might be able to see.
And just a reminder of what the chair looked like before, and here it is now.
Here it is. I love how it turned out. I love the rope detailing. I love the decal. I love the raised cushion. I was a little unsure of the raised cushion on how it was gonna look, but I think it looks fantastic. I love the white wax detailing, just kind of the antique-y look it gives. Anyways, I love this piece. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.